Welcome to Kemi's Frank channel. In today's video, we have a straight update for you guys. We actually have a clash in signal providing. Our guru, Jeffery Benson, and our mentor, Habby Forex, dropped the same signal on XAUUSD the same time. In fact, this happened on Monday, 29 July 2024. Now, the funny thing is that Habby Forex dropped buy XAUUSD, while Jeffery Benson dropped sell XAUUSD. Funny enough, they dropped this signal at the same time. So I will ask you this question: are you as a mentee, or you as a student, or you as a trader being in this kind of scenario? Who will you follow? Will you trade with Jeffery Benson, or will you trade with Habby Forex? Tell me what you think on the comment section while I come back to give you the actual result of these two trades. Don't go anywhere.
Chemist Frank is a content creator on YouTube. Hurry now and subscribe to his YouTube channel. If you didn't subscribe now, I will take your stop loss.
Welcome back to the channel, guys. I greet you, mentor. I greet you. All right. I know some persons will actually follow their mentor, because in this industry we have our favorite mentors. Some people love Jeffery Benson so much. Some people love Habby Forex so much. Some people love both of them. So, but what matters is make money from the industry. So whether you buy or you sold, what matters is you are selling with a reason. All right, whatever you are doing in this industry, make sure you are doing it for a reason, and that reason should be supported with fundamentals and analytical strategies, not supported by what somebody posted. All right. I remember 3 years ago when Jeffery Benson dropped a signal on GBP USD. He said buy GBP USD. So I was having a sell bias actually on that trade, but I didn't take the trade because a mentor has dropped buy GBP USD. I'm not saying this to maybe say that the signals are not good, because I know some mentors watching me now will always try to change whatever I said. Okay, Jeffery Benson is a good trader. Habby Forex is a very nice trader. Okay, that aside. So when he dropped buy GBP USD, so I left that trade. I didn't take a trade. I was confused because Jeff has posted. So the mind I have that time was that when these big players or these big traders drop a signal, the Forex chart will just go to their direction, looking at the population. In fact, then he has over 90,000 Telegram followers. You understand? So whenever he drops a signal, my heart just, it does beam, because I be like, the Forex will just obey these people and then go their way. But that is not the truth. I noticed that yes, this Forex doesn't even care about population. In fact, it prefers to go against the majority and then go to the side of the minority. That's the Forex system for you. Just imagine that it had been going in favor of the majority. So many persons will be on their Lambo on the streets. They block the street with Lamborghinis and Ferrari. But of course, it will always want to make the masses go broke and then go into the favor of the minority. Few traders are profitable. So that is just the idea of Forex trading. So when someone drops a strategy or a signal and then it doesn't follow to your analytical strategy, even Jeff himself said it, that you have to trade with a reason. Habby Forex also said it, that you have to trade with a reason. Let your trade be supported with a technical and a fundamental backups. So learn to trust your strategy. It will really do you more good in this industry. All right. So without further ado, let me take you to the chart and show you the result of these. There are two signals. One was saying buy, the other was saying sell. All right. This is Habby Forex Telegram channel. It has 188,976,000 subscribers. So Habby Forex is a big name. In fact, when it comes to Nigeria, these people are not small boys, you understand? So this is the signal I'm talking about, where he said buy XAUUSD now. Okay, this is 10:56 a.m. the same time he dropped it, and then he also posted a chart to guide people on placing their entries and the stop loss. And this is a good one, you know what I'm saying? So this is stop loss, this is entry position, for those who don't know about this. Okay, so this is a good one. And then I love the chart he's using, the Oanda. He provides detailed charts. I prefer this Oanda too. That's what I also use. Okay, so he said buy XAUUSD. So this is where the trade is already running profits. Look at this. This is entry, buy, okay, about to move, and this is his stop loss. A proper risk management, it's very important. So he managed his risk and also encouraged his traders to manage their risk, which is a kudos. Okay, so So I'm loaded for the buy on XAUUSD, apply money management. Okay, that's this management. He now told the community to add one position to the buy. So if you've added 2 or 3 here, add more to the position. So he now said, let's go down and see something. Okay, the trade started running in profit. At least these 2 were above it. The other one is about to be taken up, then to the upside. Before the trade started heading down with a bolder momentum. Now look at this. The trade has started going down with a bolder momentum, and I think that's the point he said. Exit the buy setup in loss now. Price rejected from 20 pips in profit. So Monday market condition most times turns to rangy market, and that's the truth. Sometimes Monday market can be very crazy, and also Friday I see manipulations too on Fridays. That's for me, and it's correct. Okay, so he said we would be going live on YouTube 5 p.m. today. Stay active. So Habby took loss from this buy setup, so he gave up on the trade. He didn't take it again. Now let's go to Jeffery Benson's profile and see what he also did. All right, now this is Jeffery Benson's Telegram channel, over 155,183 subscribers. So what a coincidence, guy. He is selling, Habby Forex is buying. I greet you. So it's just what it is, you know what I'm saying? And then it shows that they trust their strategies. So it doesn't matter that you are selling and then because of that I will sell. So Jeff is not buying because Habby is buying. So he also believes that the market is going to sell. So this is his entry. He dropped a chart to show their students that this is the stop loss price, entry price. For those that don't know this, if you see this, the red shows the stop loss price. Take profits around 2 point this, and then this is the entry. So you can also go to your chart and then take the signal with Jeffery Benson. That's what it means. So he started selling gold. Let's see the result of the trade. Now look at gold. Just a little move to the downside, see the red candle, which Habby ran away from. So Habby saw this red, which took them out, and then he left gold. Now Jeffery Benson, the market reversed on him again, going towards the stop loss side. That is why Forex is not easy and busy. You understand? Forex is just Forex. It is what it is. So he now said, close XAUUSD now, the 20 pips loss now. So if you are buying, market took you out. If you are selling, market still took you out. What shall we do to this Forex market? Like what shall it profit a man? He's going up with a broader momentum towards the stop loss side. But I trust Jeff. He didn't give up on this trade. Let's see what he did next. He entered again for a sell. He said, if you are still on this trade, please close. Okay, he said please close at this time. Okay, let's see. I think he bought again. But this time around he bought GBP-JPY. He said buy GBP-JPY. And then GBP-USD, he said buy GBP-USD. I think that's where he now hit the profit. Look at this. GBP-JPY in profit. Correlations, USD-JPY analysis. He took another one. Wow, he provided a lot of signals that day. Tightening your stop loss, another buy. This is a buy on GBP-USD now going in profit. I think he now survived. But Habby just said, I beg, I don't do again, make I just day. Now look at him now killing the market right about here. Market going to the upside. GBP-USD, so they made profit that day. Look at this profit. Wow. By 30 loss, 30 loss. Wow, you're a big man, guy. Okay, that's clean. So this is profit. So Jeffery Benson took the bold step. He went in, took loss for the first time. He didn't give up. He came back again. So it's all good. So that's Forex for you guys. Nobody owns the business. It is our business. And market will always do what it wants to do. Whether you are a guru or whether you are a learner, it is market. So that's what it is. I will see you guys in the next video. Subscribe to this YouTube channel. Join me on my Telegram channel, which the link is in the description box. Let's trade Forex back to back.